Recording. Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and I'm teacher right here in Khon Kaen, Thailand, which is in the Sanavin school. And of course, I'm here to do some computer thing because everyone is asking me why I'm sticking to my Linux desktop environment or the Linux computer that I have compared to the Windows. Well, it's simple. Windows is connected with all those computer stuff, but the problem is the commercial that they have. They're so heavy with their commercial, and of course, we could say like there is a some sort of manipulation of the programs because way back then, way back in 1980s, when Windows wasn't the dominating operating system, it was only Solaris Sun OS that we have for our laptops and computers. But in the mid 1990s, when Windows was kicking off their beautiful interface, but for me, there's still the blue screen of death, which is always, until now, we still have that blue screen of death in Windows, plus the commercial that they are inserting us with, oh, you have some virus, oh, you have some updates that you need. But right now, I'll let you show you with my laptop. I still have the Windows and the Linux. Let's see how the Windows works. So I have to restart my computer. Let me see. Yeah. I also update, but I have the computer which is the Linux KDE Plasma that I have, the version 5.27. And if you are updating your system, you have this in your computer. You have the option to restart or not to restart. It's up to you. But in Windows, you are really forced to shut down and restart your computer, and sometimes it doesn't work well. So let's restart our computer. Yes. So I'm using my other camera. No cuts in our screen recording, but it is an actual or the cell phone cam that I have. As you can see, I have this. Let's zoom in. So as you can see, I have to select my operating system. I have my Linux and my Windows. So let's try to hit the enter to enter the Windows, and how many minutes and how many ads they are exerting in our Windows compared to Linux. Zoom out again so that you can see. I'm not cutting anything. It's purely based in my recording. So as you can see, I changed my stuff there. See, as you can see, there are commercials now that your trial period have expired. To activate your software, you have to enter the license key. See? So that is Windows. Welcome to the commercial version. I have to close my Spotify first. Of course, close this one. I really don't need that one. Even your system requirements not meant. Oh yes, my system requirements has 300 gigabytes of hard disk space, but they're telling me that my system requirements, see, wow, see, it flickers. Why it flickers? Because they are trying to check on your system. When you use the Wireshark for your system, if you are an IT or the computer engineer, network engineer, you know what I'm talking about, right? Wireshark. I didn't install Wireshark in my Windows. And even though I'm not uh, installing that particular application, it still has this, system not meant, activation keys, and so on and so forth. And it is telling me to update again. Oh, get the latest feature and security improvement. Oh, you're talking about security. And then they're trying to bypass because it is a hybrid kernel. It is not monolithic. Monolithic is more secure compared to the hybrid, which is the Windows has the hybrid bypassing the security system. Hmm, don't tell the engineer. Huh? Oh, well, if you are a software engineer, you know what I mean. See, it flickers. It tells you like, okay, your system is not meant. Your system needs to update. Okay, let's try to restart again. Let's go to our, let's restart. Let's go to the Linux. How many seconds, how many minutes? Let's see. Even see, as you can see, it is telling me restarting. I already shut down. Why is it's still restarting? Crazy, right? How many minutes? I'm still waiting. I'll move the mouse. Oh. Now it restarted? Okay, it is restarted. Alright. So now let's try to select the operating system for the Linux. I'll just use the KDE Neon, okay? Let's try to enter. How many seconds? How many minutes? Let's try. How many minutes? How many seconds? Is it? Oh yeah, I remember. I update. Finish the update first. Let's continue this updating first. See, it's updating. But how many minutes? The regular select of the operating system or the OS. Now let's click. There you have it. It's done. Finished. So, very fast, right? It is more secure and no problem. I don't have any ads. So that is why I'm sticking with my Linux. And by the way, if you are planning to put a printer on your Linux, by the way, your printers are Linux. That is why when you are entering the Windows, you need a driver to make it work. So, strong words, right? So anyway, that's it for now for our operating system. And why is it I'm sticking to my Linux computers? And you have the answer. No commercials, very fast, and it's secure. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That is why science is cool. Ciao.